Welcome to this tutorial. Our tutorial today is going to be very short. I will be showing you how you can host your Nextjs application on Vercel. And Vercel, by the way, is the creator of Nextjs application. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, we are visiting nextjs.org, and this is the command to spin up a fresh Nextjs application. So you have to go to any directory in which you want your application to reside. In my case, I just want to put it on the desktop. Okay, and I want to spin up my Visual Studio Code. Okay, so from here, all I have to do is paste the code here, and I click enter. Okay, and this is where I give a name to the application. Vercel host app. Just keep it short. Okay, then from here on, all the prompts, you are going to go for the default. You just continue to click enter, enter, enter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I will pause the video from here, and when we are done with the application, we continue from there. So the app is done installing. So let's CD into the app. Okay, so we are inside the app now. Let me just clear this, and let's try to list the files. Okay, so these are the basic files and folders that come with the fresh Nextjs application. Okay, so let's spin it up for the first time by running this command npm run dev. Running our fresh app for the first time. So let's visit what the app looks like. It's taking some time because it's compiling the app for the first time. Oh wow. Okay, so this is what our application looks like. Beautiful. So let me just do something quick. I will show you two things. Number one, I want to rename the app to Vercel hosted app, just to show you in case you have a change of mind, you want to change the name of the application. Where can you do that? And the second thing is I'm going to change the interface here to the name of this particular application. Okay, so let's do that. We only need to work on two files to change the name of the project. Here we have host app, so I'm just going to put hosted, just put ed there, hosted app, and I'm going to copy it. I'm saving it on our package.json. Then I'll go to package.json.log. I want to find the name, so in two places we are going to replace with this. Okay, after that is done, I save it, then I bring up the terminal. Okay, then because I want to do some cleanup on our application, so I need to go to the app folder, come to the layouts. You see what the layout looks like. Okay, let me just say Vercel hosted app. Vercel hosted app, just to change the title. Okay, and Vercel hosted app for hosting. Let's just keep it simple. So I need to go to the page. Okay, and in the page, we just remove everything. Yes, everything in the page will be gone. Everything. Okay. Okay, let's just throw in something here. Let's say H1 and the name of the application, which is Vercel hosted. So let's save it and let's run npm run dev. Okay, once it is on, no, just go for the localhost. Okay, so here we have Vercel hosted app. Okay, so at least you can be sure this is our application when it is finally hosted. Okay, no, this is cool. The next thing is for us to you must have a GitHub account for you to do this. It is not only GitHub that you can use, but in this tutorial we will be using GitHub. So if you don't have a GitHub account, you need to create one. I will log in into the account in which I need to. Okay, so when you come into you create your GitHub account if you don't have one. If you do have, then you go and create a new repo. So you quickly create a new repo, and the name of that app was hosted. Okay, the name that you use here does not have to match the name of the application, but it just makes sense to have them everything in sync. And you can either choose public or private, but for this particular one, it's going to be public. That's all you need to do. Nothing more, nothing less. So just create the repo. Okay. So once the repo is created, let's leave this one out. All we need to do now is to run this. Okay. So I'm coming to our Vercel application. What do I need to do? I want to create another terminal here. So the best thing is to git init into the project, which means you are initiating a git to make it work. Okay, so that's been done. So the next thing is to git add, and I'm putting a dot to add everything in the folder. Okay, so once this is done, all you need to do is to come here and do this. Just copy everything and paste everything here. It has run everything for you. We git commit it, we git branch into main, and we git add origin, and we point it to the URL of the application. The last thing is to git push it to the original main. Okay, and so I then need to sign in with within your browser. Yes, I would use this option, and it will take me to GitHub, then where I can log in with that particular. So by default, it's picking the Tailor Tutors because that is authorized Git ecosystem. Yes, because that is the one that is I logged in on my browser. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so it has been pushed to GitHub. So to confirm that, let's just refresh this application. Okay, so it's already on GitHub, our Tailor Tutors GitHub. Okay, cool. So after you have done this, the first step was to create the app. The second was to push it to GitHub. Then the next step is to connect it or to host it on Vercel. Okay, so this step is very interesting. So to do that, we are going to okay, so if you don't have okay, for Vercel, you don't even need to create any account. Okay, you just need to log in, okay, to Vercel using your connected account, and in this case we want to connect our GitHub. Okay. Now we are connected to GitHub. Okay, so we are connected to Vercel via our GitHub account. So all we need to do now is I'm currently hosting the tutorial series where we are creating an inventory system on this. That's why you can find this. Actually, I forgot to record the video when I was doing this. That's why I need to do this video again. So okay, so we want to come to new project. Okay, create new. This is the hub that we are hosting. And by the way, if you are doing it for the first time, it's going to ask you a few questions that will allow your Vercel account to be connected to your GitHub account. So here I want to import. Okay, and I'm not doing any other thing other than just to click on deploy. It has recognized our application to be a Nextjs application, because it's not only Nextjs application that can be hosted on Vercel. So it's building our application. Because it's a fresh installation of Nextjs, nothing can break it really. In a real life project where you have created a lot of things, pages, API, logics, business logics, and all that, there can be error. In this one, I'm not expecting any error to occur, really. Okay. You just deployed a new project to. Okay. And this is the project. It has loaded. Continue to dashboard. So on our dashboard, we are going to be generated with our URL. Okay. In a real life application, you can connect your domains to this project so that your app will be visited via your domain. Otherwise, this is our deployment link, and this is the name of our application. So from here, I can visit our app. Can you see? So this is how you host your Nextjs application in Vercel. Okay, let me know in the comment section if you face any challenge, especially when you are doing it for the first time. If there is any error, let us see it in the comment section, then we will be able to help you out. Thank you, and God bless. Stay tuned for the next one.